Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I'm here, back at it again with another video. So, this video right here is like all jokes aside, bro. So I was just watching like a couple videos with Amazon and AI, and seeing that they have created robots, right, to replace people's jobs. Now, listen, man, I'm not some person that thinks you know it all. I'm a regular human being just like you, point blank period. These times that we are living in, bro, I'm here to tell ya, you need to own some type of assets in these companies, because these companies are going to move with or without you, regardless. And if you as a person do not own assets with these companies, if you don't own stock in these companies, you're gonna just be replaced by the robot. Now, a lot of these companies and businesses care about profit margins, right? Making profits for the shareholders and making profits for the business, right? But we know in this human experience that numbers are infinite, right? We also know in this human experience that people are easily replaceable. That's why I tell y'all, like, jobs don't care about you. Because in the grand scheme of things, all you have to do is have a regular human emotion. You can say, I need a day off, I need some type of rest, I want a mental health day. Just any type, something that you need for yourself, right? And they can easily say, well, you're fired. It's kind of weird, it's kind of crazy. Real talk. And when you really think about it, bruh, you gotta care about yourself, and you have to be willing to go with the change, if that makes sense. So, for those that you don't have no type of awareness of the stock market, well, the stock market is about to move on with or without you. The changes that we gotta make is what? Our mindset towards money. How are we viewing money? How are we viewing our time? Because our time is our biggest asset, right? Number two, how are you going to, since the businesses only care about profit margin and making profit and things like that, right? Which numbers are infinite, but the businesses care about making profit. How are you going to create for yourself and make profit with the business? This is how we think more strategically, and this is how we use our energy to our advantage. Real talk. Now, there's a lot of things that's not taught to us, right? But it's for a reason. Another thing too is opportunities. Now, look, I'm a regular person just like you, bro. Just because I have this YouTube channel don't make me better than nobody. Absolutely not. Word. I'm out here. I see New York City, Harlem. Feel me? It's just a video that came to me where I'm like, nah, you gotta express this to them. You gotta express this to them. Now, opportunity cost. Once again, throughout these times, the stock market, it's an opportunity for everybody to build wealth. Point blank period. You got a YouTube channel, you got a community. Keep on creating videos, because you never know who these videos are gonna reach. Real talk. If you continuously think about fun only, and you don't know how to delay your gratification, aka own a tangible business in this 3D reality that you can see, which is, like I said, own the stock, bro. If you do not apply that into your human experience, I don't know what to say, because none of us can outwork inflation, right? We're learning in this human experience that no matter what, bro, like, prices are going to continue to rise. They're going to continue to get higher every year. That wasn't taught to us for a reason either, you know? And now you really got to think, like, alright, if it's easy for these companies and for these businesses, like I said, to replace you, because the robot is not going to complain, the AI, the robot is not going to need a day off, It's not gonna need a sick day. It's not gonna need money. Like, yes, it costs money to create the robots. Yes, absolutely. But after the robot is created and they keep working on it, bro. And then this is what I was thinking about too. Another reason why, bro, I keep telling y'all, own the stock in the company. Is because number one, I bet. So companies like Amazon, Apple, Tesla, I believe, you know, things like that. Those companies are traded 24 hours now, right? Monday through Friday, 24 hours. So that's opportunity right there for you. I'm not saying you gotta be a day trader, no, bro. Don't be a day trader, be a long-term investor. Buy and hold, that's it. Buy the stock, hold the stock. Buy the stock, hold the stock. Keep owning more shares of the company. You know? But right there, a lot of these companies, a lot of these businesses are on the stock market, right? 24 hours. And now, if they are taking the time out to add the robots to the businesses, now the businesses are gonna run over and over and over and over, and they're gonna get their products to people faster. You know? Like, remember, this human experience, bro, is mostly about like consumerism, right? Everything is about consumerism. It's meant to take your money. It's meant to make you look at life and just, what can I buy? What can I buy to make me happy temporarily? Outside of food, outside of clothes, outside of things that you need. You feel me? And it's meant to make you look at money in just one certain way. You know? It's kind of wild. So when you really get down to the scheme of things, bro, you gotta figure it out. You gotta figure it out. Hold on, let me try to go past this thing too fast. It's music. But when it comes down to the scheme of things, you gotta learn how to figure it out. Look at these posters too. This is super amazing. But real talk though, you gotta try to figure it out, bro. You gotta own stock in the companies. You have to learn the skill of owning assets and learn how to create something, bro. Bro, I don't care if it's 1,001 YouTube videos, bro. I don't care if it's an ebook. I don't care what it is, as long as it's added value to people's life, bro. You could create clothing, freaking something that people need, bro. A journal. Create journals, create something. You feel me? As long as you're creating something and you having faith in your creation and you being patient, bro. That's the most important thing. Real talk, bro. Real talk. Because, bro, we have to take advantage of these opportunities that's given to us, bro. We got our phones. You could create YouTube videos. You could create any type of videos, monetize it, and build a community. And enjoy that process. It may take you a long time to reach your goals, but so what? It's still a process. You know? Like, it's all about like your perception and how you perceive opportunity. Word. Because it's really given to all of us, real talk. But long story short, y'all, you need to own assets. You need to own the stocks in these companies because, like I said, AI is here. They got ChatGPT on the freaking iPhones. They got apps where you could literally, like I told y'all, you could create a video with AI. You could create a whole video without you having, like, bro. Man, listen, bro. The robots is here, y'all. So, figure it out. They're not gonna replace every human, though. I ain't gonna front, bro. It's a lot of us. But like I said, it's gonna be easy for these companies to sit there and say, "Oh, you complaining? Oh, you whatever they want to say, and anything to make themselves save money." So, word. But that's it. I just want to share this message with y'all. And welcome to changes, man. Welcome to changes. Real talk. It's your boy Terrence Carter. Yes, sir.